Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our January 23rd Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of InvestEd Central. Right now we got the Dow futures up 6, the S&P futures are even, and NASDAQ futures are up 2. Asian markets were mixed while European shares were higher overnight. The market started out to the downside Friday as traders absorbed a slew of earnings reports. The S&P remained below the flat line right up until day's end, finally ending up a fraction of a point. The Dow, however, was up almost 100 points as traders opted for blue chip stocks, with the bulls remaining in charge. There are no key economic reports due out today. Halliburton reports its quarterly earnings today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1281, the 50-day at 1248, and the 200-day at 1257. We've got support on the S&P at 1285 and resistance at 1331. Any way you cut it here, the market is overbought. Looking at the S&P, we see stochastics over 90 and an RSI approaching 70. In fact, if you go back to the beginning of July, you will see a similar looking situation resulting in a market top. Toss in the fact that we've got a highly complacent market here, and it's a recipe for a pullback, with 1285 being an area that should provide some support. Does this mean the market can't go higher here? Not at all. 1331, the July 27th high, remains in sight. It's just that the odds at this moment favor the bears. Sign up today for tomorrow's Online Trader Series webinar, The January Effect. Get more information and reserve your seat by going to investedcentral.com/OTS. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow with another Market Minute.